welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys can see, it's super late, but finally the UPS guy came in, which messed up this whole video. But so it's super late here, it's super hot, and by my shirt, can you guys guess what this video is about? I have here, I don't want my son to hear this, but Woody and Buzz are in there. So this video is gonna be a fun one because you guys are gonna get to meet my 3-year-old, soon to be 3-year-old, and most likely also my 1-year-old. I'm gonna surprise him with Woody and Buzz. He is a big Toy Story fan. So we had to get him this. His birthday last year actually was Toy Story themed, and definitely this year, most likely again, it's going to be Toy Story. So I am gonna open these boxes, get everything together, just so he can open the box and be surprised, because I do have other ones in there. I have a couple for other kids and people's orders, and I don't want him to see all of that, because then he'll probably think that all the Woodies and the Buzz that are in there are all his. Alright, so I unpacked everything. We have here his Woody and his Buzz and the 2 scent packs. I'm gonna put the wax bars in here because I did get the bundle with the wax bars, and I'm gonna close it up and let's see his reaction. Diles hi! Okay, so this is Ivan. Diles hi. Ivan? No? This is Ivan, and he's a big Toy Story fan. As you guys can see, he's already wearing his Woody and Buzz shirt. Now, let's capture his reaction.
Look.
Ben, come. Ábrela. Open it. Okay, so both of them are gonna open the... Can you see our rug is even Toy Story? Open it. Open it. Pull it. What is it? Oh yeah. A ver. Smell it. Laura? Yeah? Okay. Open it. ¿Quién es Buzz? lo pongo? There, that's his hat. Ponle su hat. ¿Le ponemos the scent pack? ¿Cómo que no? So there you guys have it. That was his reaction towards him seeing his Buzz and Woody. Now let's get on to this video and let's see what are my thoughts. So let me start off with the boxes. I'm gonna show you guys the boxes. So this is Woody's box. That's how it looks in the front, and that's how it looks around. This will be the back and one of the sides, which says Toy Story. The bottom looks like this, and the top looks like this. When you open it, that's how the top looks as well. And for Buzz, we have Buzz in the front. On the side, we have the Scentsy logo. Buzz on the back. And on the other side as well, we have the Toy Story logo. So Yvonne has joined our video. So that's how the Buzz box looks, and the top looks like this, the bottom, and then we have the top as well. Well, the inside of it. Now we're gonna show you guys Woody. So this is Woody. Come here, sit down. Ben. Okay, I guess he left us. He don't want to be part of the video anymore. So here we have Woody. Woody's little vest, you're not able to take off. So, no, you can't take it off. He has a hat. The hat you could take off and you could put it on. You guys see how cute that is? Ah, it's like a fishing hat. I like how they did this detail. It's like so Woody. So his little vest can't come out. He does have his pull-on string, but you can't pull it out. It's attached. So no pull-on string. Another of the detail that I liked was his little gun holder. It's super cute. Like they got it so perfect. You guys see his little belt, his jeans, and the scent pack for this one will go in the back on here. We already put his scent pack. The baggie looks like this. And the question that I'm pretty sure everyone out there, including myself, were wondering, does his boot say Andy? There's no Andy. So his boot does not say Andy. It does have the Scentsy logo on here. And the only thing I did notice that it doesn't have the Scentsy star on his butt. Usually most of the Scentsy buddies have its star. I'll show you what I mean. I have a doll here. This is Emily, and you can tell, you see, it has a star. Woody doesn't have that star. Woody doesn't have his star in his little butt. But that's Woody. He looks so cute. Do you guys see his bandana? Like, can you take it off? Oh no, you can't. But that's his little bandana. And yeah, it's pretty big. Let's compare it with Emily. It's pretty much the same size like Emily. Yep, same size. All right, so here we have Buzz. Oh, I can smell Buzz already. I did notice that right away that Buzz scent pack actually smells stronger than Woody. But let me show you guys the buddies first, and then I'll go over with my thoughts of the scents. So I just noticed he's missing his helmet. Where's his helmet? But no helmet. His eyes. You guys see that? His laser. I like how they actually got all the details down. His laser, Space Ranger, his buttons, another of his logo, his little boots. His boots actually does not say Andy either. It does have Scentsy on the side. The bottom of his boots, it's hard, as well as the top. This part is very solid as well. Everything else is very soft and cuddly. Let's see his jetpack. You guys see how cute this is? And my favorite part is that his scent pack actually goes inside his jetpack. Like, how cool is that? And that's how his baggie looks. Put them inside. And yep, that's Buzz. And like I mentioned, actually Buzz does have the star on his little butt. Woody was the only one that didn't. So that's Buzz. When you get the scent packs do look like this. These are for other buddies, but I just wanted to show you guys that. So I'm gonna show you guys the packaging for Woody's wax bar. It looks like that, and it's called Woody Reach for the Sky. It smells very manly. It kind of reminds me of Dear Mr. Watson. It's a soft, manly scent. It's not as strong. I did notice that in the scent pack, it really doesn't smell that much. The Buzz scent pack is actually stronger than the Woody. Like, when I right away snuggle with Buzz, I can smell it. Woody, I tend to not smell it. And even when I opened it, usually when you open the scent packs right away, you're able to smell the scent, and it really is not as strong. It kind of reminds me of the Winnie the Pooh one. That one is a very, very light scent. I own Tigger, and it doesn't really smell. So that's the only thing with Woody, that it's on the scent pack, it doesn't smell as strong. The wax does smell stronger. I will have to see how they actually smell once you start warming them. This is how the Buzz bar looks. Buzz Lightyear to infinity and beyond. I was seeing online that a lot of people were saying grape soda. It does smell something similar to that, but it's very fruity for sure. I really smell a lot the raspberry, which kind of I was more excited to smell. I thought I wasn't gonna like Buzz, to be honest. When I saw the description, I thought I was gonna be more of a Woody kind of girl, just because I'm into, like, I like manly scents, and I saw that it had sandalwood, So I right away thought that this was gonna be my favorite one. But to be honest, once you smell them and have them in your hands, I have to say that the winner for the scent pack, including the wax bar, will be Buzz. I like how this smells better than Woody, for sure. Now, as of right now, today, Thursday, they are still available. I'm surprised how they're still available. They still haven't sold out. I don't want to jinx it because I'll probably upload this video and it'll be sold out. But otherwise, if it's not, you can find those links on the bottom in the description, and you guys can purchase yourself a Buzz and a Woody, because for sure they will eventually sell out and they won't come back, because usually that's what happens to all of these Disney stuff. They are released and they sell out instantly, and that's it. We don't get to see them very often again, if we're lucky. So definitely get them while you can, and that should be all for this video. I will see you guys on the next one, and bye.